Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing OWASP security testing. What is OWASP? Open Application Security Project is a global nonprofit dedicated to improving web application security. OWASP provides free resources, tools, and guidelines to help developers, analysts, and organizations protect web apps from vulnerabilities. One of its most famous resources is the OWASP Top 10, a list of the most critical application security risks. What is OWASP security testing? OWASP security testing involves evaluating web applications to identify vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, or weaknesses that attackers could exploit. It's about systematically checking web apps against known risks, like those in OWASP Top 10, using manual and automated techniques. Why is this important? Web applications are prime targets for attackers due to their exposure to the internet and sensitive data that they often handle, like user credentials or financial information. Security testing helps you find and fix issues before they become breaches. The OWASP Top 10 key risk to test for: broken access control injection, security misconfiguration, identification and authentication failures, and security logging and monitoring failures. How OWASP security testing works: you define the scope, you gather information, you run automated tasks, or scans, we perform manual testing, we remediate and document and report any findings to help developers, auditors, or compliance teams detailed findings and fixes. Tools for OWASP security testing: OWASP ZAP, Z-Attack Proxy, Burp Suite, Nikto, Qualies, Web Application Scanning, and Metasploit, W3AF, which is a framework for web app security testing as well. So, best practices: follow the OWASP testing guide, use the OWASP Web Security Testing Guide for structured testing methodologies, test regularly, perform scans and tests after every major app update or at least quarterly. This cut off a little bit, but thank you everybody. That's going to be it for OWASP security testing. Some of it got cut off, but thank you everybody for watching. Please comment down below any questions or concerns. I really enjoy reading any of your comments, right? All of your comments, like. Thank you everybody for watching. Please comment down below. Bye.